So lastly, we're going to be talking about trading psychology. In my personal opinion, guys, trading is going to be 80% psychology and 20% technical analysis. This is going to be the most, if not one of the most difficult aspects you're going to have to face in your trading journey. Life as a trader can be very successful, but it can also be very stressful at times. What I mean by that is that trading is not always going to be sunshine and rainbows, guys. You're going to have days where things might not be clicking, or your emotions take over your subconscious. And those little emotions right there, they can affect how you view your journey as a trader, the trades that you take, and how you manage them. You could close out trades too early because of fear or doubt, or maybe you close them out too late because of overconfidence or greed. And just to give you guys an example, let's just say you go on a winning streak of 3 trades and you're feeling like you're on top of the world. The market decides to do what it wants to do, and in that point in time you end up losing. And now you take another trade and it's also a loss, and you trigger some fear or some doubt in your strategy because you just lost some money. With that being said, now you deviate from your trading plan and you focus on just making that money back, and you just start taking hits from the market. And it's like this downward spiral of just taking hits, making some money back, taking hits, deviating from your plan, not following your strategy, guys. And it could just get messy. Or for instance, you start getting greedy and you're just taking an unnecessary amount of trades just because you're focused solely on just making money. I don't know if you guys can see the picture that I'm trying to paint for you guys, but this is why trading is a roller coaster, and why a lot of traders quit and never develop to their fullest potential. This is also why they don't make it, they don't succeed in the markets. They don't succeed in the markets or in aspects of their life, guys. A lot of people just focus too much on their strategy. A lot of traders focus on their strategy solely, but they never pay mind to mastering their psychology. I really do believe technical analysis is easy once you master it and understand it. However, psychology is always going to be that barrier. I don't care what anybody says. And the reason for that is because we are human, we carry emotions, and unfortunately, if we don't learn how to control our emotions or keep them in check, we could pay the price in the markets. Guys, I wish you guys the best in your trading if you do decide to take on this journey. I know this beginner course was very straightforward and simple. The main reason why I put this together was because I did want to provide some type of free content for those who have no idea what trading is. If you would like to learn more and really swim deeper, I do offer one-on-one mentorships where I schedule you in and sit with you online, and we can touch up any subjects or the subjects that you really need to learn and to prepare you for your journey. If you haven't done so and would like to learn the strategy and methods that I teach, I highly encourage you guys to join the Discord community. I cannot stress this out more than enough. There is a tremendous amount of value that I have on there, and I will continue to provide and show you the exact way that I teach and trade, or how you can become a consistent trader in the market. Thank you guys. I wish you guys the very best, biggest of blessings, and lots of success in your journey. Take care.